This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Leslie Beasley. Beautiful, spacious 1,820 square feet, 3-bed, 2 3/4 bath home backing up to a serene Greenbelt. Like new with all new interior paint, carpeting and laminate hardwood floors. Open floor plan with great room, dining area off kitchen. The home has large windows making bright and cheery, plus a gas fireplace in the living room for those cozy nights. The home has a low-maintenance yard, and a deck overlooking a beautiful Greenbelt, small stream, plus being able to enjoy watching all the birds and wildlife. The bedrooms are spacious and the master has both a large walk-in closet and 2 other closets. The single-car garage is extra large for great storage. Close to great shopping, restaurants, medical and downtown and the waterfront. No HOA dues to pay. For more information, review the details below or contact Leslie Beasley at 360-671-5000.